Hi, my name is Pam Formosa, and I own a company called Brain Fit Academy. I work and support women to feel better, bottom line. And I do this by helping to directly address the stress response and then helping them organize their brain to an optimal level so we have choice, we have freedom, we have control, and we feel better. So one of the tools that I use is called Brain Gym. And Brain Gym has a wonderful 4-step sequence called PACE, P-A-C-E, as a way to kind of just settle us in and start to move forward. So it's very simple, and it starts with water. Water is actually an activity for Brain Gym. And it's because we're an electrical being, and water breaks down the salts in our system so that we can have more electricity going on in that brain so more brain changes can happen. So we're going to start with PACE, and it's going to start by drinking some water. This is a routine I do usually every morning, but I might end up doing it after lunch or at that 3 o'clock hour where I just need a little pick-me-up after a long day. So drinking water. The next part of this PACE is to help get oxygen and blood flow to the brain. So underneath your collarbones is some soft spots here. We're going to put a thumb in one, finger in another, and we're just going to massage. The other hand is going to go on your belly button. And we're going to take some deep breaths. Deep breathing is one of the most powerful ways to decrease the stress response because it stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest part that calms us down. So as we're rubbing here, we want to also take deep breaths right into that belly. Then we want to switch hands. Brain Gym likes equal opportunity for the left and right hemispheres of the brain and body. So we always switch hands, switch sides. The pressure here can be very light or it can be firm. Sometimes we're very sensitive here, so we may just even want to hold those 2 points. It's all up to you. I love the program because it's so flexible. Third step is cross crawl. This activates the whole brain and body, and so we're just reaching over and touching the opposite knee, slightly like aerobics class, so you can certainly make this faster. You can change it up and touch your feet. You can do your elbow to your knees, really get that twist going on. This gets the blood flowing through the body, activating the 2 sides of the brain and body, crossing that midline. It's all good. And then the last step is more of a pose. It's called hookups, where you're going to cross your feet, and if balance is an issue, you can do this sitting or laying down. It's not a problem. And then you're going to do this pretzel type position like this. And your tongue is going to be at the roof of your mouth where there's an acupressure point that helps to reduce the heart rate. So we're going to stick our tongues up there, like where you'd click, that point. And we're just going to breathe and be. Relax the shoulders down. And we'll just hold this position for 30 seconds or so. And we're going to switch sides. So I switch my feet first. I just recross the other way. I come out, I go down, I cross, and I do it systematically so I remember which side I was on. It's all good. Tongue at the roof of my mouth. Now we're just going to pause. And then the last piece to this is just to uncross those feet. Bring your fingertips together and just notice, take notice of any pulsing in your fingertips. You may or may not feel it, but it's a place to put your attention. And then set a goal, set an intention for your day. I'm going to have an awesome day, or I'm going to rock this meeting, or I'm going to be present with my kids when they get home from school. You've got this.